Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my plan with me for this week. And I'm just going to get through this fast as I can because I've got a lot to do today. I'm going to try to make sure that this is in the right spot the whole time, unlike last time. Let me just double check. Yep, I'm good. I again apologize for that. It was just hard to see where you guys are set up versus. Okay, so I just put like a little sticky note here. I have a new background. I made it myself. It's just like little bricks and stuff. I got paper, foam core board. I'm still using my old tripod, so you may see the legs. I'm gonna try to cut that out in post-production, but we'll see. So this week I'm using the Be Mine kit. I'm gonna try using the personal kit this week. I've got the little extras here, and I don't know if I'll end up using the extra full boxes, but I'm definitely going to use the date covers, and these headers. So let's get into it. And oh, I should probably grab scissors, huh? I'm gonna need scissors. So you might be able to hear my printer in the background. I am printing orders. I'm finally starting to get into the swing of things. And yeah, if you haven't seen my new release video, you should go check that out. I have a new Tigaro set. I think this year I'm gonna kind of focus on making one-of-a-kind kits featuring Tigaro and things like that. I find he's what makes my shop unique and special, and yeah, I feel like I have gotten away from that, and that's why sales have dropped and things like that. Not doing YouTube. There's just so many different things that go into building a shop, and I feel like last year, especially after the whole like we're gonna move to Oklahoma thing happened, kind of got pushed away. Oh, I'm gonna do date covers. Today is the 17th, so grab that first one. And I think I'm gonna try to kind of cover up this part, and hopefully you don't see my head. I don't know. We'll do like that, and then the 17th. The problem, if I was left-handed, I could do this. Like my sister, she's left-handed. It'd be easier for her to do this part than me. Okay, let's get the rest of these in, and then I'm gonna put the little headers, the butterfly headers in. So yeah. So I have a question for you guys. To be completely honest, and I'm totally okay with it. I get it. Everyone has their own preference, but those watching, have you bought from me before? If you have, do you still? And what made you decide to buy from me, from my shop? If you have never bought from me, why not? What is it you just found my channel? Did you not know? Are they just, you don't like that kind of paper? You're not into the designs? Like, I'm fine with, I get it. Like, there's shops that I think their stuff is awesome, but I don't buy from because I don't like their paper. So totally okay to be honest with me about that. If you have purchased from me but haven't in a while, let me know why. Is it because I moved to my own website? Does that turn you off? Because I know when a couple people personally that I used to buy from did that, I kind of stopped, but then I kind of got over it. Like at first it was like, oh, you know, it made it harder because I couldn't just like put all my stuff in one cart and all that kind of stuff, but I ended up finally coming around to it, you know, like, is that what it is? I don't know, just wondering, like, or you don't have to answer it at all. I'm fine with that too. I'm just curious. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with these little headers. This was an oops set because my blade was going, so it didn't quite cut right. I like to either use my oops sets for me because it doesn't bother me, or I will occasionally sell them in packs. But most of the time, if I don't think it's good enough to sell or use myself, then I don't think it's good enough to go out. So yeah, but I do overstock ones. In fact, I have still a couple of grab bags in the shop right now, and I might have enough to make one more actually, but yeah. If you have checked out the new releases, what is your favorite part of them? I'm going to plan on having a small new release. I might have a kit. I have an idea for a kit, and I might have it out, but the big plan is I have a new character that's coming out, and so those are the sheets that are for sure coming out this Friday. That didn't go right. Oh well. Okay. Now, oh yeah, I will use the extra boxes because I like to do them on here. So we will go and do my full boxes. I think I'm gonna use that one last. They're just so cute. I'm gonna do like I've been doing, where I do the staggered. I don't know, I just like doing that. It's just kind of fun. Today is a busy day, so I might actually use a header, but we'll get to that. I'm getting ahead of myself. No, I think I want to use this teddy bear. I love the teddy bears. They're just so gosh darn cute. Why did I do that? I meant to put it down there, and it's probably, yep, it has sealed itself. Oh well, then we'll just do it like this. We'll do it staggered differently today. And then I'll go back. And I may end up putting one there, but I probably won't. So cute. I love it. Okay, like I said, I'm going to put a to-do list here. So I'm just gonna grab this pink one, and then the matching checklist to put it in. Just for that. And then I don't have a ton of plans this week. I do have, my nephew has this like cooking thing he's doing. It's like a cooking contest on Thursday night. So I'm gonna put that down here. Oh gosh, I cannot lay stickers down straight on camera anymore. What is wrong with me? Crazy. Friday, I don't have anything planned. Saturday, I'm doing another one of those art things. If you follow me on Instagram, sorry, I'm moving a box so you can see it. A couple weeks ago, I did this. I don't even know if this is gonna fully show, but I did a local art thing and I painted that with my sister on wood, and they're doing a Van Gogh one this next week, Saturday, and Van Gogh is my literal favorite artist of all time, so I'm gonna go do that. So I will put that there, and that's really all I have planned. Yeah, it's an exciting week. I mean, I've got a lot to do. I just don't know when they're gonna happen. And I'm one of those people, I don't like to put things down really until I know for sure. Like usually it'll be in the morning, I'll start filling things out for that day that I know is gonna happen. So like today I've done laundry, so I could put a laundry sticker down and stuff like that, but I'll do that later. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you prefer sped through versions, I also have that. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.